Its Microsoft official page. As you see, you can select for home and for business. 99 per year if it for family, or if it is for personal 69.99 per year. So you do not need to buy, you can use free. Let us see step by step. Let us search Microsoft.com. First let us go to Microsoft.com. And then sign in, type your Microsoft account, type password, and then next. It's my Microsoft account. The second step, go to search Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint online. And then go to free Microsoft Office Online Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And then go to sign in. No, welcome to your office. Using the free version of Microsoft Office, we will see 3 different common Microsoft Office Online Words, Excel, PowerPoint application. Let as a start from Microsoft Word. You can create a new blank document, or you can use the template. You can type and edit your document like this. Insert table, insert row and columns above, left, below, and right. You can delete rows and columns or cell. General. You can get all features of the Microsoft Office Word application at the end. You can save your file to your fill location. Next, let us see Microsoft Excel. You can create a new blank Excel document, or you can use the template. You can see home, insert, create, border, paste, insert, drop, page layouts, formulas, review. In general, you can get all features of the Microsoft Office to Excel application. Lastly, you can save it as your file. Now let us see PowerPoint. In the same way, you can create new slide. You can insert tables, pictures and shapes, etc. You can draw and design in a different style. Action animation slideshow. Lastly, save it as your file. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and sharing.